Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix one call on Messenger on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down. Then you click here on apps, and you go to next window here or apps window, and you just go down here to looking for Messenger app in this window. Then you just click here on Messenger. Then it's going to take you to next window here or app info. You just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you go down, then you click here on storage, and it's going to take you to storage window. You just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and all you have to do, you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Messenger app. You just follow these ways, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.